Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install ReShade on GTA 5. Super fast and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your browser and then just write ReShade, and then probably it will be the first link here. Then press download and download this version here. Save it to your computer, and once it's saved, then you should get this setup here. So what you need to do here next is open up, then you need to browse and find your basically GTA 5 or other game files location. So for me it's disk C, program files x86, and then here I need to go to Steam apps, common, and then here it should be GTA 5, and then you need to select this one, play GTA 5 exe, open up, press next, and then you need to select rendering API Rockstar Games launcher redirector use. For me is DirectX 11, and you can check it as well on your game settings, and then you need to go to graphics or display and you will see what version you're using. And then I need to select effects that I want to install, so you can check all, but I will use this one just for this video. And after you finish, what you need to do here is to launch the game, and then once you are in the game you just need to press home button and ReShade should appear. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.